Alright, what is good, Crashers? Here today, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno. Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be roasting some pumpkin seeds. We got these after carving our pumpkins for Halloween, but let's get straight into it. I find this the easiest way to separate the seeds from the pumpkin is you dump all the seeds into a strainer with a bowl underneath. And then you pour some water in there and, cover them. Okay, so now that this is all full, you can see how the majority of the pumpkin seeds float to the top, so you can easily just, scoop some. And I have a bowl set aside to place the seeds in, so that way I can separate the seeds from the pumpkin. This may take a while, but you don't want pumpkin guts in your seeds. Alright, so I got 2 cups of water boiling here with a tablespoon of salt in it to season the seeds. You're going to add to the water 1.5 cups of pumpkin seeds. And try and get them mostly washed off. It's okay if there's a little bit here and there. But you're going to want to let those simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, now it's been 5 minutes, so we're going to take pumpkin seeds and we're going to strain those out. After we're done boiling them, you're going to want to strain them, and then you're going to want to spread them over a baking sheet. Get all those out of there. Okay, so you're going to spread those onto a paper towel, and then you're going to want to take another paper towel and throw that on top and pat those dry. It helps them bake easier. Alright guys, so after that you're going to want to take about 1 tablespoon of any kind of oil. I'm using olive oil because I think it tastes the best. Okay, and you're going to want to toss that. But also, I figured out that the paper towel method is not the best method. The seeds just stuck to the paper towel. And here, toss it in with the oil. And then you're going to want to add some Larry's seasoned salt or any seasoning you want. We're going to sprinkle some of that on there. And then we're going to toss that all together. Alright, so after those are all evenly coated, you're going to want to dump those on right back onto your pan. You're going to want to spread those out evenly on your pan. And you're going to plop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever in Celsius. Look it up yourself. Okay, and plop that in there for about 10 minutes. Better than popcorn any day.